Quick, top me up real quick. Hey guys, welcome back to Yoshika's Restoration. In this video, we're going to continue working on the absolute disastrous Datsun Z. Now, you may have seen our last video, which is still all over the floor, and we uncovered absolute abomination underneath here, and I found out that I need to rebuild all of this instead of just the lower half. So in this video, I think I'm going to cut this oversill off, see exactly what's underneath there, and then try and start refabricating all of this section. So let's grab some tools and crack on. What, me crying? No. I only wanted to do a patch repair that big, and now look at all this mess. Quick, top me up real quick. So as you can see, this one here, this was the original. This was a nice repair panel that they put over the top. This you've seen before. This is what I cut out earlier. Now, the structural part here, I also need to cut this out as well. I'm going to put a quick brace in there so this doesn't move anywhere. So I can take this out here as well. So I'm just going to cut straight across there, take this section out here, and basically rebuild all of this section. Now, this is completely gone, and I definitely needed to redo this because just look at it. It looks fantastic, doesn't it? So the situation is, I'm screwed. I don't think the word disaster quite cuts it. Now, at the start of this video, I didn't expect to be cutting quite so much off. But think of the bright sides. At least it gives me a chance to fully weld this section down here to the original. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to concentrate on cleaning all this area up. There's a little section that I need to cut out on the front, and then I need to do something with this back section while it's open as well. This whole situation down here was fiberglass. This is right. So we'll talk about this horrendous welding in just a second, but where's it gone? But this was literally stuck onto this panel, and this is all fiberglass except for a little tiny piece of metal down here. They've made this whole section down here out of fiberglass and filler. How much filler and fiberglass have they used on this car? Look how thick that is. They've just absolutely and look at this welding. This welding is rubbish. This welding is just like bird poo. Please tell me what this bottom section is actually doing, because by the looks of it, that's not even been welded to the backing plate. So in usual disaster Datsun fashion, a plate has been put on top of the original. Now you can see the original here.
Awesome.